Hey guys, it's Jessica at peacelovepink.tumblr.com. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to make a shaking image in Photoshop. I have Photoshop CS5, and if you don't have Photoshop, you can just go to, you can go to Adobe's website and download a free trial if you've never downloaded one before. They won't let you download more than one free trial, but if you haven't done it before, you can do it again, or you can do it for the first time. But then after you do that, it'll ask you for a serial code like every time you use it for the first 30 days. And you can always just go on like Google or YouTube or whatever and try to find a serial code somewhere, put it in, and then you'll keep it forever. But if you don't find a good serial code within 30 days, then it'll stop working. I could never find a good serial code, so I just went to YouTube and typed in how to get Photoshop CS5 for free and just did whatever. They gave me a download link and gave me steps to follow, and I just did that, and now I have it forever. So that's how I did it. Anyways, just open your Photoshop and then go to File and go to Open, and you can just do whatever picture you want. I was going to do a picture of myself, but I think I'll just do a different one. Doesn't really matter which picture you use, so I guess I don't know why I'm looking for so long, but I'll just use this one of MS Stone because she's gorgeous. You want to make sure you go to Window and then click Animation. If there's not a check next to it, then just click it. You'll know that you're in animation because like over here, like the colors panel is missing and stuff, and down here there's an added section, which is where you make your frames. Go over to your layers section, which is over here, and right click your background layer and click duplicate layer and just click OK. And then go down here to your animation area. You'll see right now there's only one frame, and you want to go down by where the trash can is. Right next to that there's this button, and you click it and it's a new layer. So then now you'll have two layers. Click the first layer, go over here to your layers area again, click the eye next to your background copy, and that's going to make that one not visible. And you go to your second layer, and if you go to your second layer, you'll see that that's not visible too. You want to make sure on your second layer that both of them are visible. So click back on your first one, you'll see that only your background layer is visible, your background copy is not visible, and your second layer, they're both visible. That's exactly how you want it. So now go back to your first layer, make sure that you select background. If background copy is selected, it's not going to work. You're going to go up to filter and see how all these are grayed out. You can't add any changes to a layer that's not visible, so they're not going to let you do anything, which is good because that way, you know, you won't go into your background copy and freaking start making changes, and then later you're going to realize you did it to the wrong layer because they're not even going to let you even start doing that. So if that happens, then you'll know you're on the wrong layer. You need to click background layer, which is visible, the only one that is visible. Click that, go up to filter and go to blur and go to motion blur. Your pixels will probably be set at 10 if you've never made one of these before, because that's Photoshop's default settings, and mine are at 7. I don't know, usually I like it a little bit like less blurry, but I'm gonna set it to 10 anyways. So then just click OK. Go to your second layer and you'll see that, or your second frame I mean, and you'll see that that one's not blurry, and that's because your background copy is visible and there's no blur on the background copy layer. So click back on this one, and down where it says 0 seconds, you want to click that. This pops up and click 0.5. Then go to your second frame and do the same thing, click 0.5. Right below your two frames there's going to be something that says once. Mine says forever, but yours probably says once. Click the arrow right there, make sure you select forever, and now you can watch it. It's a shaking image. To save it, you just go up to File and then go down to Save for Web and Devices. It'll be right under Save As. And then this will pop up, and you just want to go through a few things really quick to make sure that everything's set the way it should be. Above your play buttons, it says looping options. That needs to be set at forever. Up at the top, the second drop down box right here should be set at GIF. There's other options like JPEG and PNG, but you want to make sure it's set at GIF. You can watch it again if you want. Make sure that it still works the right way, and then just click save. Put it in the correct folder. And I'm just going to save mine as Shaking Emma image, and then just click save. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So thank you for watching the tutorial, and I hope it helped you. If you have any tutorials that you want to see, just message me on Tumblr at peacelovepink.tumblr.com, and I will get to it because I'm pretty good at Photoshop and HTML, so most likely I know how to do whatever it is that you are trying to figure out how to do. If you have any questions or problems or anything, you can just message me. And don't forget that I do unlimited banner requests and cursor requests. I do theme edits. I make edited pictures like this smiley picture over here. I made that. I do those. I put those up on my site too. If you just go to my website and then you just click links over here, and then they're all right here. I have other tutorials. You just click this link. I have public promo banners that anybody can use. You just right click and save them, which is right here. I have cursors. Like I just have public cursors that anybody can use, and then I also do cursor requests, like to do custom cursors that say your blog URL or whatever you want them to say. Then I have public banners, which is just like the same as cursors. It's just like random like quotes or whatever that you can use for your thing. I have color schemes. I also have theme edits. I have a theme edit section, and for some reason the link isn't up right now, but I'll put it up. I had it up earlier, so I don't really know what happened, but I have one theme right now that you can use. It's a beach theme. It's pretty cool. It has an image map, which is like, instead of having all these links that you click on or whatever, it's like a picture like this, and then you just click certain areas of the picture. That'll take you to whatever, like your links section, your ask box, all that other stuff. So just go there, and there's lots of resources for you guys to use. And if you want to request anything, just message me. That being like a banner or a theme edit or tutorials, or if you have questions, you can message me also. I always answer all my messages, so just do that. And you can follow me, and I follow back. So thank you again for watching my tutorial, and I hope it helped you. Bye.